Here is another video that was requested by a few people over a long period of time and thought it was time to make a video. I'm actually going to provide you with some ideas on how to build a landing, or support the landing, I should say, on a concrete floor. And a lot of these stairs are built, and I can take you to plenty of them, and the stair treads do not line up. And in this one here, they actually line up. The stair stringers are not going to change positions, but the landing supports will be framed differently. So just to give you an idea of what I'm talking about, the front of this tread on the upper stairway lines up with the nosing or the overhang in the landing. The second tread, the front of the second tread, lines up with the front of this tread here, the next tread that would be up to the landing. I just kind of wanted to throw that out there. These stairs are not that difficult to build, but I do understand where the landing supports can be a problem or confusing. And like anything, if you know how to do it, it's easy. If you don't, then I think this video is really going to help you out and provide you with some ideas on that'll help you if you're going to build a set of stairs like this. So this set of stairs right here is going to come up to a doubler. We're going to use a double 2x10 here, and a couple of support boards underneath it. Just frame a simple landing here. I think we're using 2x10 joists, and you can attach them to the wall. You can use hangers, end nail them, toenail them, pressure blocks in, and our landing. Now here's something I just kind of wanted to throw out there. You can see if you're coming up the stairway, and if you have a landing that is 36 inches from here to here, and you have this in the way, the building inspector is not going to like it. You might have to cut it off even, or flush with the front of the stair tread. Just kind of wanted to throw that out there. Another thing that is confusing with these types of stairs, laying them out. I understand. I have seen them. You can go up to, I can almost guarantee you can go up, if you come across a set of stairs like this, you can look at the landing and these treads are not going to line up. It's just too hard for most stair builders to figure it out, or whatever they're working with, I have to say. So in this one here, we are going to have a doubler supported by the post that goes all the way through. And then we're just going to simply build a wall here. You want to put double top plates on, knock yourself out. But this wall is going to provide us with some support for the upper stair stringer, and allow us to have the floor sheathing go a little bit farther, so we actually have something to step on. That's another problem I've seen quite often. Now in our next example, we are going to just change the doubler to a beam there to, if you're looking for a little more support, or the engineer might even require a beam instead of a doubler. So same wall framing, just a beam there instead of the doubler. Now in this example, we are going to lower the beam, and the reason for that is so that we can cantilever the joist on the other side. So here we have the beam that runs all the way across. Supporting post. Take a look at a view from the other side. Same thing. We can see here where the joists are cantilevering a little bit. Makes sense, right? We've gotten rid of our wall. This might give you an idea if you need closet space underneath here. And keep in mind that most of these stairs need to, or I should say, they're going to have the risers closed if you build a set of stairs like this on the inside. But again, the video's not about that. There's more information about that in the book, and I recommend you getting the book. Watch the video. Everybody who watches the video, go get the book, and then maybe I'll be able to retire. Oh, wait a minute, then I wouldn't be making any more videos, so forget that. Maybe just half the people buy the book, and the other half maybe buy another one of my books. How's that? So again, we're looking at the same situation here, kind of giving you a view of this one here that's sticking out. But that's not the reason why I came here. This is the reason. Let's remove the plywood and the stairs. And you can see here where the joists are cantilevering a little bit. And I doubled these up. You might not need to double them up, but it seems like it would make sense. Double them up to support the stairs. These are some heavy stairs. They're not like the, or I should say they're a little heavier than stairs where you're cutting 2x12 stringers, kind of a conventional set of stairs. But here we can see where landing works out, give you an idea of what this looks like. Put everything back together. And this is probably going to be the most common method that would be used, and that would be to simply frame a wall and offset the walls. You don't need a wall to be continuous and then a shorter wall. Just have two different walls in there, same height of course. See where they're offset, and they are supporting the floor joist just fine, or the landing joist. Another view of it there. Without the sheathing, an idea, we're still using our doubler here. And you might not need to use the doubler on this one. You're going to be, with a cantilever, the doubler is a good deal. With this one here, you're still going to be getting a lot of support from here with the wall and transferring, the weight would be transferring down to the wall, of course, through the joists. And that is it for this video. So I hope it helps. And again, if it does, you like these videos, you want to see more of them, hit the old thumbs up button. If you don't hit the thumbs up button, I'm still going to make these videos anyway, so don't beat yourself up over it.